Box Optronics Tech introduces the company's best-selling product, Coaxial Laser. Coaxial lasers are divided into two types, with cooler, TC, and without cooler, TC. We can customize the DFB coaxial laser with CWDM, 1270 to 1650 nanometers, wavelength according to customer requirements. Custom 7 mW coaxial laser with power of 2 mW, 4 mW or higher, and customize the fiber length and fiber connector according to the application scenario. Now Box Optronics Tech introduces DFB coaxial laser with TEC. Its main feature is that on the basis of conventional coaxial laser, TC is built in to cool the LD chip, thus improving the stability of the laser and integrating optical isolator, low noise, low threshold current. The laser is widely used in CDMA/GSM transmission system, CATV return path, FTTC, FTTH, PON. Box Optronics Tech has been implementing the feasibility of retesting products before shipment and providing customers with product test reports. It fully conforms to the shipping standard of Box Optronics Tech. The copyright of this video finally comes from Box Optronics Tech.